Welcome to Alliance Door Engineering Training videos. In this video we will be installing our Series 3 manual roller shutter. To begin, measure the opening to ensure it corresponds with the drawings provided. Mark the flag section to correspond with the back of angles measurements indicated on the drawings. Mark the point at which the hole is to be drilled for the fixings. Then drill the fixing hole. Place the flag section in place and ensure it is plumb and level with the spirit level. Mark the remainder of the fixing slots. Then drill the remainder of the holes. Now attach all the fixings to the full length of the flag. Now measure the back of angles and mark up for the second flag section to be installed. Attach the flag with one fixing. Now measure the back of angles at the bottom and top to ensure they are positioned correctly as detailed in the drawing. Once happy, mark up and drill the remainder of the fixing holes. Offer up the barrel assembly and bolt into position. Ensure the brake is in the upright position, tab up. This clip highlights how the barrel is located with the chain wheel gear. The clip details how the barrel pin is passed from the back of the fixings to the front and bolted into position. All fixings are provided for this. Now attach the barrel to the right-hand side end plate. The fixing is passed through the top and bolted at the bottom. All fixings are provided. Ensure all fixings are tightened appropriately. Attach the chain keep to the flag. The chain keep needs 2 holes drilling to allow for the fixing to pass through and be bolted into position. Pull the whole chain to drive the barrel in the close direction, to apply tension to the counterbalance spring. The amount of turns is governed by the size of door and spring. Offer up the top section of lath to the barrel and bolt into position using the fixings provided. This clip highlights the best way to do this. Open the end locks, as detailed in this clip, to enable the next section of lath to be installed. Now rotate the barrel in the down position to add tension to the barrel, if required. Open the shutter further to enable the next section of lath to be installed. Once all sections of lath are attached, remove the T-rail to allow the final down rotation of the barrel to add the required tension. Now reattach the T-rail. Raise the shutter as we now need to attach the guides. Feed the bottom section of lath into the guide and place the guide into position. Fix the guides onto the flag section using M8 countersunk guide screws that are provided. Feed the screw from the inside of the guide to the outside of the flag and fix with the washer and bolt. Complete this along the full length of the flag. You may need to open the shutter further to access the top fixing points. Ensure all fixings are appropriately tightened. Repeat these steps on the other side. Once all fixings are appropriately tightened, ensure the shutter operates correctly. Finally, attach the CE badge. Thank you for watching our installation video.